Introducing the 2023 Cupra Formentor E Hybrid 2 in striking white exterior colour. This estate Jeep is not only stylish, but also packed with top-notch features, including air conditioning, satellite navigation, and parking assistance. With ABS, multiple airbags, and lane departure warning, safety is a top priority. Enjoy the convenience of electric folding mirrors and wireless charging. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on this high-tech and reliable hybrid.